Hey everybody, it's me RJ. Today we're gonna put the old mirror back up. Ooh, I should have got one. This is gross. I need to clean it. Yeah, it's kind of crusty. They had some there at the junkyard, but
they're probably icky.
First thing you gotta do is get the metal plate that goes in here. You unscrew it and slide it out. Okay, that's how it goes. Okay. Then I took this plate and I went back there and sanded it with my palm sander. If not, you're gonna do it by hand. You want it nice and smooth. Then you're gonna take this handy dandy razor blade
and get all the goo,
all the old goo off. And as you can see, my window's cracked from this over time, but I know where to go now. And then you're gonna need some Permatex Rearview Mirror Adhesive. Okay. Here's a channel cleaner activator towelette to help you clean the place. You don't have to do it if you do the other stuff, but I am gonna use it to clean. Okay. It's alcohol is what it is. Okay. Don't let them tell you something different. It's alcohol white.
It's Ibo Babalob.
Okay. The reason it's alcohol is it gets real clean and it dries up quick. Okay, I'm actually doing it on this even though I already sanded it. Okay. Wait for that to dry. Just broke my fingernail. Okay, it's pretty dry already. I'm gonna use my sleeve to wipe the rest off. Okay, you're gonna take this packet. You don't gotta cut it. I brought scissors in case. You tear it across and it makes a little spray. See it? You're then going to put it all on the back of here as much as you can everywhere. Smear it around. It's a super glue, so it dries quickly. Make sure you cover a pretty good amount out near the edges. Don't go all the way out because then it'll come out when you squish it. Make sure you cover everywhere real good. Take the extra of that. Okay. And you want it rounded up like that. Okay. The battering down. Okay. And you take it. And you're going to have to sit here and hold it. And I'm in trouble. I don't know why. There's so much. I guess I used a little too much. That's alright. Nothing I can do now. Just hold it there. Okay. And I'm having issues with keeping my hand steady. I don't know why. Usually I'm fine. You see it dries quick.
It was super jiggly though.
It dries really quick. Okay? But then you gotta let it set.
Before you put weight.
Like, it says a minute or two, but I'm gonna set it for like 10 minutes. Let's see what it says. Allow to dry for 1 minute. Do not touch windshield or button after extra been applied. Open adhesive pouch. Allow to set for 30 minutes prior to mounting, so that's what you can do. So we're going to pause this, but either way, let it set for 30 minutes, slide it, set it, and forget it. I'm going to go clean this thing because it's gross while we're waiting. Oh, you know what?
Use that.
There we go. Be right back. I'm gonna wipe it off. All pretty. It has not been 30 minutes though. So in case I forget to come back on, I mean, you should be able to figure this out. You put the mirror, you click it on. This little here controls the thing, the night. It's electric night and day. All right. You plug that plug into the back of here. You can do this on any car. It's about the same. It's a pretty simple process. Sand, clean, glue. All right. I'm going to have to wipe some of that glue off with the razor after it dries. But that's it, in case I don't come back and show you me putting it on. Like I said, it says 30 minutes. I'm going to wait like an hour or two so it really hardens, okay? The longer you wait, the better it sets. Less likely it's just going to fall off in a few days. So there we go. Any questions? I don't know. I'll put a link to this Rearview Mirror Adhesive in the comment in the description. Please purchase it that way because it will help me out, and then you don't have to leave your house. It'll come right to you, okay? As always, I'm RJ. Seize the day each and every day. Bye-bye.